First of all, what is an encoder? An encoder is what you need. That's the device, the hardware, or it can be software running on a computer that's going to take that video signal in and turn it into what we call an RTMP stream to send it up to a CDN. The CDN is a content delivery network that's going to stream it. Now I want to talk about RTMP. RTMP is an industry standard, and every product you see that we sell supports RTMP. The key with RTMP is that you can manually cut and paste your RTMP keys into any CDN service. So I want to bring the CDN thing up here because a lot of these CDNs like YouTube and Facebook Live, well, you can get into those now through their attachments to products. So a product like a Sling can go straight to YouTube and Facebook Live. It's very easy and simple, but sometimes that ease of use doesn't work. We're going through that right now. YouTube has changed up what they're doing on the way streaming devices attached to YouTube Live. So we're only going live on Facebook today because YouTube Live and the TriCasters API aren't talking together very well. We're going to hard encode the RTMP stream, but we got some errors. So we're just to be safe, we're going to go to Facebook Live alone. By the next show, we'll be back going to YouTube. And it might be easier to go to YouTube as the one thing you're going to, but we're trying to do both so we run into problems. Other popular, Ustream, Twitch, Vimeo, Wowza, pick what you want, what works best for you and your organization.